Hello again, guys. Today I'll show you how to swap um, a wall power socket. If this happens, as you saw the suko, that adapter got burned. So I went on to the DIY store and bought a new double plug to swap in my kitchen. That's a UK plug, a UK socket, which is the standard we use in Cyprus. That's where I'm from. Here you never touch live wire with bare hands. You need to go to your power panel and switch off the MCB, if you know where that is. If you don't know, just turn off the main switch and then you can touch the wires inside the wall. Here I used a connector to keep the wires in place, so I had to push them back into the socket until I bought a new socket. And you always test if there is a live wire, a live power into the sockets, or you get zapped. But I'm kidding. If it doesn't light on with your tester, then there is no power in the wall. So the cables inside, the power cables, were burned out from that stupid suko, that adapter. So I decided to cut clean the wires, use a connector and extend it with a power cord. So in case in the future that this happens again, it will just burn the extension cord and not my wires inside the wall. Here I'm using a plier to tie the power cables together, and I'm using a connector to extend to my power cord. Whenever you deal with power, you always need to screw them really well. Otherwise they may get loose and you'll burn fuses, devices and so on. I'm twisting the cables inside and bending them twice, so they have a lot of grip to tighten. And I use a secondary earth cable, as the socket that I bought required 2 earth inserts. And here I extend the cables from my wall. You can see the colors are a bit different. I'll explain them later on in the video. Now I push back inside my connector and pull back the ones that I screwed just now. It was really hard to see inside, so I went and used my flash to see and screw it back into place. So here I'm explaining the L that is labeled onto the sockets refers to the live wire, which used to be red in old configurations and now it's brown. The N is the neutral, which used to be black and now it's blue, and E is for the earth or ground wire, which always has been yellow and green. Live it is the positive, N is the negative, and then ground is for grounding. And here I test the plugs. It works just fine, and the second plug as well, it works just fine. So that's the video. If you like the video, hit a like, subscribe to see some more. Bye.